Hey everyone, welcome back to Shifting News, the channel that will bring you amazing and interesting facts in different areas, touching on different topics. I highly recommend you subscribing to this channel as you will find a lot of helpful videos on a variety of topics. In this video, we are going to unbox the GoPro Hero 10. Our videos are going to change with this new arrival, and we promise to go out of our way to make you experience the world through our lens. Let's see what's in our major box, as we have placed here on the table. So we have now opened our major box and we have placed the box aside as it was transported now for the cases of packaging. And we are going to describe what has been contained in the box. On my far left is this waterproof casing that we are going to use to ensure extra protection to our GoPro Hero 10. And next to it we have the SanDisk Extreme, which is the SanDisk Micro SD, which is high speed. And then next to it we have the 128 GB SanDisk SD. This one is used for the camera, which is high speed. And next here we have 3 extra batteries which are used, which now it is termed as Hero 9 Black, but they are compatible with the Hero 10. And we are just ensuring that we have maximum utilization when we go out shooting, such that now we are covered when it comes to power. And now we also have these, the newer 15-in-1 accessories. These are the accessories that we are going to use to enhance the usage of the Hero 10. And as you can see, we have different accessories here. Some are going to use to mount on the bicycle, some are used to mount on the dashboard of on the vehicle. And I believe as we are going to be using some of them, we shall be showing you in our coming videos. So this is the newer 15-in-1 accessories. There are 50 of them that are contained in this one package. And then next to it we have the Max Lens mode, which we shall use to enhance the power of the Hero GoPro 10. And as you can see, it's just a lens that will just provide extra functioning to the Hero 10. And next to it we have the dual battery charger plus battery in it. So we are going to use this one to charge our batteries. We also have a GoPro battery inside here. So in essence we have 4 extra batteries that will now ensure we are covered when it comes to power needs. Then now on my far right we have the GoPro Hero 10 Black, and that is what now we are going to explore in length in this video. Now from the casing we are going to explore some of the specifications written on the casing, and we can see that it is powered by the new GP2 processor engine to make sure that the camera offers the best performance along with a high refresh rate. The Hero 10 Black ensures the smoothest shake-free video possible, and it will also make sure that the camera offers better image stabilization and enhanced low light performance. That means when the light is low, you can have the best videos and or the best photos. And we also see that it can shoot 5.3K video recording at 60 frames per second, and 4K recording at 120 frames per second, and 2.7K recording at 240 frames per second. That means when you need now to get the best slow motion, you can use this camera, because now that is 8 times slow motion. And from the casing, we can also see that the camera, it is rugged and it's waterproof to the extent of 10 meters, which is that 3 feet. It also offers 23 megapixels maximum output for still images, RAW format, and a super photo plus HDR. You can also get a 19.6 megapixel frame grabs. You can upload automatically to the cloud, and there is a webcam mode that can support to 1080 pixels live streaming. We also have a time warp of 3.0. Data overlays are maximized, and it also has an enhanced voice control, meaning that you can get the 3D voice reduction. That means that the camera can focus on the voice that is intended to be captured. On the other side, we can also see what is included in the box, meaning we have the camera, the battery, the hand screw, and 2 mounts, the cable, plus now the bag itself. So now let's unpack this case and explore what is inside. In the upper section, there are instructions and a few other stickers. So these are some of the instructions that you're supposed to read through. This is the stickers, and these are the instructions for a quick guide, like your camera must be updated before you can use it. Install the GoPro Quick app on your phone. Make sure you have internet access, then turn on your GoPro by pressing. Follow the on-screen instructions. So that is what you are going to do at a later stage. We have now the GoPro Hero 10 and the other accessories. So in this casing, we have the USB Type-C, which you can use for transfer of data and charging the GoPro. And we have a battery, which we shall fix later. We have the buckle mount. This we shall attach to the GoPro. And we have the buckle mount receiver, which you can use to mount on other surfaces. We also have the thumb screw that is used to set the mounts in place once you have set the GoPro to the mounts. And finally, we have the GoPro itself, the GoPro Hero 10 Black. In its casing, it's protected. As you can see, there are some instructions attached to the camera, and it says that your camera must be updated before you can use it. So that means now you need to connect your camera to your phone, to the app that you will download. Now this is the Hero 10 Black minus the protective films. We don't need the accessories at the moment. By the way, you can take out the tray, which is of course also recommended if you want to use the casing. I mean, this is the tray, so we can do away with the tray, and because now we shall be using the casing for carrying the camera. The GoPro Hero 10 has the blue labeling. As you can see, this is the blue labeling here. Yes. There is also a water drain on the side. This is to help ensure that the microphones record clean sound immediately after using the GoPro in water. This is especially good for those who want to use filming in swimming or while maybe exploring the ocean. So one could say that GoPro has dispensed with major innovations, because now this is an improvement from the previous versions. We can't wait to use our GoPro Hero 10 Black. We shall bring you more footages of the GoPro Hero 10 in our next videos. We are so happy to receive our new arrivals. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment and share. See you in our next video.